of the main reasons why your salary and job security in an organization are determined is by the... Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an important topic to discuss. Many of you have done an incredible job in saving money, but you may have still find yourself with limited funds to invest. In this video, I will provide you with practical steps to increase your income and unleash your earning potential, allowing you to save more money for investments. So let's dive right in. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and turning on notification bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. My name is Korianne and I'm excited to share more of my real estate investments and personal finance journey with you. Saving money is commendable achievement, but if you find it challenging to have enough for investing, it's time to discover effective strategies to increase your income. It's time to explore strategies to boost your earning rate or income. Here are some practical steps to help you achieve that goal. Step number 1 is assess your current skills and qualifications. Start by evaluating your current skills and qualifications. Consider your education, professional experience, and any additional training or certifications you can possess. Assess if there are other areas where you can improve or expand your expertise. During my early days at my first corporate job, I had a strong desire for personal growth and continuous learning. Seeking ways to enhance my skills, I approached my manager to discuss the skill gaps within our team and the availability of the company funding for professional development. To my delight, he confirmed that the existing of such opportunities. Taking full advantage, I enrolled in biannual continual employment education programs. Through attending various technical seminars and training courses, I not only expand my expertise, but also discover the potential to contribute to other internal technical teams, paving the way for my career advancement. Recognizing my proficiency in managing finances and practical spending habits, I realized that the key to increasing my earning lay in acquiring more valuable skill sets. By offering enhanced value to my employer, I could justify requesting better compensations while simultaneously embracing the exciting challenges of my career journey. Because of my continued education in the technical skills that I had, I was able to apply for a better and more challenging new career with a 40% increase in the annual salary. And at the same time, I enjoyed the challenging role to keep my job interesting. Let's fast forward from my corporate job to the exciting world of my own mortgage company. Here, I have the opportunity to earn higher pay through commissions by helping clients with less than perfect credit and bankruptcy profiles. This loan can be challenging and time-consuming to get approved at the best possible interest rate, requiring a unique set of technical skills to navigate the lending process. What I truly enjoy about working with these difficult loans is the satisfaction of finding solutions for my clients. They appreciate the specialized skill I bring to the table, and I also benefit from earning higher commissions from the lenders who cater to this client's needs. It's a win-win-win situation for all. One of the main reasons why your salary and job security is in an organization are determined is by the value you create. It's all boiled down to the problem you can solve for the organization. The more skill set you possess, the more challenging the problem you can tackle, the greater the reward in terms of your salary and job stability within an organization. Step number 2, identify opportunity for career advancement. Explore opportunity for career advancement within your current organization or industry. Talk to your supervisor and human resources department to understand the requirement for promotions. Consider taking on additional responsibilities pursuing professional development opportunities, or seeking mentorship to position yourself for growth. Step number 3, explore side hustle or freelance work. If you have spare time outside of your regular job, consider taking on side hustle or freelance work. Identify your skills or hobby that can be monetized and explore platforms or websites where you can offer your services. This can provide an additional stream of income that can be directed toward your investment goals. There are freelance job sites that offer projects for people working remotely as a side job. You should look into the sites and see if your skill can be offered to others that need your expertise. Step number 4, develop additional income streams. Look for ways to generate passive income or establish additional income streams. This can include investing in real estate properties, creating and selling digital products, earning royalties from creative work, or starting an online business. Diversifying your income sources can provide stability and increase your overall earning potential. I think everyone should at least have a minimum of 3 sources of income. If one source of income fails, then you can still have another 2 sources of income to support your quality of life. Number 5, network and build professional relationships. Networking is a powerful tool for career growth and income enhancement. Attending industry events, joining professional associations, and connecting with like-minded individuals. Building a strong professional network can lead to a new job opportunities, collaborations, or mentorship that can accelerate your career and income growth. Number 6, invest in your personal development. Continuously invest in your personal development to enhance your skills and knowledge. Attend workshops, take online courses, or participate in training programs that align with your career goal. The more you invest in yourself, the more valuable you become in the job market, which can lead to higher earning potential. Step number 7, negotiate your salary or rates. Don't be afraid to negotiate your salary or rates when you start a new job or taking on the freelance projects. Research industry standards and confidently present your value propositions. Negotiating effectively can lead to higher earning and a greater ability to save for investments. Step number 8, maximize your productivity efficiency. Find ways to maximize your productivity efficiency in your work. Prioritize your tasks, eliminate distractions, and develop good time management habits. By being more productive, you can accomplish more in less time, potentially opening up opportunities for additional income-generating activities. The last step is step number 9, embrace a growth mindset. Adopt a growth mindset that embraces continuous learning and improvement. Stay curious and open to new ideas and opportunities. Embrace a growth mindset allows you to adapt to changing circumstances and seize new avenue for income growth. Congratulations! By implementing this practical step, you can increase your income rate or income, providing you with more fun to save and invest. Remember, it is a journey and success will take time. Stay persistent, keep improving your skills, and explore new opportunities. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. And if you did, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thank you for watching today. Let's learn, invest, and make an impact. Ciao!